Okay, so the S&P 500 pushed up higher 2 days ago on Monday. I said that if we move above some K, we are looking quite bullish and that it would be, excuse me, it would be an opportunity for us to rebuy because the upside potential is still there. Now, we are still facing a bit of rejection here on the lower band of the channel. And without going above this and back into here, we don't really have any bullish momentum confirming. We are still quite flat. And if we capture this period, so if we look at this period here between early September to now, we are quite flat. We are moving sideways. Is this a distribution? This is the fear. And a lot of discussions about this being a Wyckoff distribution might be true. It's looking very, very similar to this distribution here in November, December of last year. Okay, similar period, similar times. And what is the driving force here for this to move up higher? For me, it's CPI data. We'll be watching that on Friday, and hopefully that moves the market higher. If this comes in line or lower, it's all green. It's a green light for the central bank to lower interest rates. If, however, we go higher, maybe there's some selling off happening. Then we have next week, Wednesday 29th, the decision itself. Everything is priced for an interest rate drop, okay? Everything is priced with that in mind. And we've also had some problems yesterday with Netflix, okay? So Netflix misses earnings and drops about 6%. That's huge for Netflix. So there are signs of issues brewing in the market, Netflix selling off. We've had some other ones sell off as well. For example, the quantum plays that were doing really, really well for us, and I exited on Thursday last week, are losing big chunks, okay? About 6-7% daily being lost here. As you can see, significant drop here from the high of where we sold it around 38, 39. Now we're going into maybe further shorting here for this one. So we're losing momentum. Gold as well is dropping. We have PPTA, which was part of my portfolio, dropping here. This is metals, okay? But gold also losing momentum here. Gold was a trade that I shared with you guys 2 days ago. Perfect timing. 2 days ago, Friday was the perfect time to start looking for the short, and here we are. Okay, yes, we moved up higher here, but I'm a swing trader. I'm willing to hold it through, and exactly what I was saying in the previous video, which was okay, has been hit. Now we have 3.9K to be hit. So 2 days in a row, I've told you short gold, and I shared it on Friday as well. And I told you guys that I think Friday is a perfect time to short gold. Okay, Monday as well. So here we are. Go and watch the previous videos. You'll be able to see all of that. Now, with this stuff that's brewing in the markets, for me, it's all about what's happening with the VIX.